In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat with Google Gemini AI in Chrome. By the end, you'll feel comfortable opening your Gemini account, typing a clear prompt in the conversation box, and continuing the chat with helpful follow-up questions, all inside your Chrome browser. First, open your Gemini account in Chrome. Think of this as getting to the front door of the AI. If you're already signed in with your Google account in Chrome, you're essentially ready to go. Gemini recognizes you and loads your workspace. If you're not signed in yet, take a moment to log in so your conversations can be saved and you can pick up where you left off next time. It also helps to keep Chrome up to date so pages load smoothly and any new Gemini features display correctly. Once your Gemini account is open, look for the text field at the bottom of the page, the conversation or search bar. This is where the magic happens. Click inside that box and start typing your prompt to begin the conversation. A prompt is simply your question or instruction. The clearer you are, the better the response tends to be. If it helps, give a little context and specify what you want: a list, an explanation, pros and cons, or a brief summary. Let me show you an example you can try. Type: what are the advantages of Gemini over other AI platforms? This gives Gemini a specific comparison task. After you press enter, Gemini will generate a response for your prompt. You'll see it assemble an answer that highlights strengths such as helpful reasoning, integration with Google services, or versatile use cases, depending on what's most relevant to your question. If the answer is close but not quite what you wanted, you can refine it. Ask it to be briefer, more detailed, or to focus on a particular angle like speed, creativity, or reliability. Now feel free to follow up with more questions if you prefer. This is where conversational AI shines. Ask for examples to ground the explanation, request a quick summary if you're short on time, or narrow the scope, like comparing Gemini for research versus coding. You can also ask it to rephrase in simpler language or provide steps you can act on. Treat each follow-up as a continuation of the same topic, so Gemini keeps the context and gets more accurate with each exchange. That's all you need to start chatting with Google Gemini AI in Chrome. Open your Gemini account, type your prompt in the conversation box, review the generated response, and keep the dialogue going with smart follow-ups to get exactly what you need.